Welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle. Today we make a Macedonian sausage. It's a great fresh sausage to make. Let's get started making the sausage. I will show you now all the ingredients, what I'm using and how to make this sausage. For the Macedonian sausage, what we need is lamb and we need pork shoulder. What I have here, I have 500 grams of lamb per kilo and we need 500 grams of pork shoulder per kilo. For the herbs and spices, we need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 4 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 2 grams of cumin per kilo. We need 0.5 gram of fresh crushed or chopped rosemary. We need 10 grams of fresh garlic. This one we need to press yet, so I only press it once I put them into the meat. And we need 60 grams of IVR based, the hot version, also the hot one. And we need 30 grams of cold red wine. That's it from the meat part and from the herbs and spices and the liquid what we need for this sausage. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 6mm blade. I have already set up the grinder with the 6mm blade, so I will grind now the lamb and the pork through this blade. So that's it from the meat and also from the herbs and spices and the liquid we need for this sausage. Let's grind the meat. So the meat is nearly done. That's it. So let's mix that. Before we start with anything, what we need to do is we need to make a paste. So we use the red wine. The pepper. So we put in all the herbs what we have, and the next thing is now is we crush in the garlic. That's it. And now we mix this to a paste. So all the herbs, the garlic, so everything with the red wine gets mixed except for the Ivar paste. That will do. Let's get to the next thing. What we do is now is we use the IVR paste, put it into it, and we also add this marinade what we have done. the spice marinade. Now we give this a good mix. And now you have to mix this until it gets very sticky. That will take a few minutes. And it has a very distinct smell. Of course, there's some red wine you can smell out now. The paste and the herbs you can smell out of it. That mix is getting there now. Becomes nice and sticky. So if you look at this one here, that's holding. A little bit more. So it's holding, see, that's what it looks like. You got the red specks in there as well from the other sauce. So I'll put this in the filler now. So let's add this in the filler. Push it down so you can see it. Because we don't want any air in there. Alright, so let's get the casings ready and fill it. Let's get those casings ready. They've been soaking for the last 30 minutes. I'll put a thing in there and just get some water in there. Put them up. They should come up fairly easy. And on the 28 to 30 ml, you need about 1 to 1.2 meters per kilo of sausage mix. It depends how you fill. So, now make a knot in there. Bring the casings forward, make it wet, and let's start filling. Fill it semi-firm. I needed to add a little bit more casing. There we go. Just a little bit, not enough. But it's not worth to put another casing on here now. Let's twist them. Twist them around 10, 12, 14 centimeters. It's up to you. Just twist them the size you want. There's one more, I'll leave it a bit longer. So what I do is I just press here once, twist it over once, and just fold it through so it holds. I've got a little bit of leftover here. That's it. They're done. Let's have a look what they look like. Here we go. That's what they look like. That's the Macedonian sausage. It's made with pork and lamb. You can see the erect specks out of it, the green specks. It's looking good, nice color. Nice cut in it as well. It's great on the barbecue. This is the Macedonian sausage, so you could see how to make them. So it has some fresh herbs in there, some fresh garlic, a bit of red wine, some Ivar sauce as well. It's made from pork, from lamb, and when you fry it, when you grill it, it's a great sausage. I hope you enjoyed this little video about how to make this type of sausage. If you did, subscribe to the channel please, like the video, hit the thumbs up, click the bell so you get notified for the next videos. There's loads more to come. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun, make sausages. Till the next time, bye bye.